My name is Addie. To my channel, Addie's Buddy. Welcome to Addie's Buddy. Hello, everybody. I'm back. That's great. Today we're gonna make pastillas. That's yummy. It's yummy and delicious. And we're gonna open these ponies. It's called My Little Pony. And this is the song of My Little Pony. My little pony, my little pony. That's the beginning. It's beautiful. Pastillas. I'm gonna use some yummy things that I drink and I love. Milk powder. I drink this in the daytime and the nighttime because it will make you stronger. Gotcha! Check. Condensed milk. This is sweet and yummy. I love it. Whoa, this cake is over here. Check. Sugar. I eat this before when I eat the donut that was with green one. And we're also gonna use a plate for finishing our pastillas. Check again. Wooden spoon, like the wooden rolling pin. And mix. Mixing bowl. Let's mix this stay. That's because we're gonna mix. But if we don't mix, do not say anything. It will say nothing. I don't know. Let's do it now. Boys and girls, don't forget again to put on your apron. I'm wearing it. Just joking. Okie dokie. It's a small pocket in there. Now I have my apron, my dirty apron. See, that's lovely. And here's my cute little pocket. I also wash my hands. Did you wash your hands? You did not. Just wash your hands. And now you wash your hands. You did it so fast. Look, my hands are clean. Your hands are clean too. Now, let's do this pastillas. And you know, the pastillas is sweet candy milk. And for the Philippines, they're using Carabao's milk. For the pastillas, it's delicious. Now let's do this recipe. This one is 2 cups of powdered milk and 1 can of condensed milk. I got my wooden spoon. Now it looks like a mountain. Let's do the condensed milk. You know, condensed milk. I want to try it. Ooh, now let's put this now. Nice! Keep it up! Mixy, mix everything until they're done and mix yourself. OMG, it's getting so sticky and hard. And I went through the spoon from the stucky. You can do it. Come on, you wooden spoon. You can do it. I got it out. Look at those. They're inside there. Now time to give to me. Give it to me, a spoon. Let's roll it to a ball. Awesome! Yeah. Real some. Be only good. Good and the perfect size. Okie dokie Loki. And now give me the back side. Yeah, give it to them. Okay, now that's done. Let's do the ball. I want to try it. Like a dough. That's funny. Now I made it like a taco. Plain taco. Now splash it back. Now it's time to roll and roll and roll everything until they're done. Now it's time to put it into sugar. Sugar, sugar, shaky. Now cute. Pastillas ball. Look at that cute itty bitty one. Wow! That's yummy. Let's make the next one. Let's make a bigger one than that. Put this. Well, look at now. It looks like a dough. For the pizza, we're making pizza. I'm getting crazy. Roll, 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 roll everything until they're done. Then you're done mixing. Now it's time to roll, 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 roll. Now let's put it to a ball. Then with the ball, let's put it to the yummy sugar. Ah, it's too much. Get away, little ones. Okay, now we got this yummy pastilla. Very good. Let's get the next. Now it's time to do the next one and form it to a ball. Pastillas ball. I'm done. Excellent. Aren't they look delicious? I want that. They look white and with the sugar, it's gonna be yummy. Before we eat them, let's just open the My Little Ponies, my favorite toys in the world. Okie dokie Loki. Before we taste the pastillas, let's just open our My Little Ponies. This one is Pinkie Pie. This one. She's the craziest one and doing parties. Her sound is, I don't have to do that sound. Applejack doing foods. I see apples on her cutie mark. Cutie marks. Well, Apple Bloom is the sister, but she don't have any cutie mark. Rainbow Dash! Flying. See her wings. And you know, you can do them like that. You can put them together. And let me try. They're not in the same size. Okay. That's so cool. They both glow. But for now, I know what to do. Now, let's do high five! That's funny. That's funny. High five. High five, Rainbow Dash. She glows like that before when I'm trying Pinkie Pie. Oh no, let's just try Pinkie Pie now. Pinkie Pie isn't the best girl. on the same side. That was amazing! See, they're both in together. And now let's try with Pinkie Pie. After that, we'll do Apple Jack. Now let's open the My Little Ponies. Let's free them out. I want to get out. Let's open my favorite one, Pinkie Pie. Let's party, 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 party. First, I need to get out and meet my friends. Let's get you out, little one. We will free you. We will not leave anything else until you are the one who I'm gonna free. Free you. Come on, Pinkie Pie, you want to be freed? And I'm trying to free you. Look, there's someone inside. Like that for a moment. Until lots of ways. How do I get you out, little one? If you want to be out, I will remove you out. Let's remove your tail over here. And now let's remove. Keep it like that. I got it out. Put you back. You. Yay! I'm free now. Now let's do it now. Look at her. She's beautiful. It's beautiful. New hairstyle and her cute little ponies. Oh, no one inside. Stand over there. That's Pinkie Pie. Yay! Applejack is the next one. They're all my favorite. All of My Little Ponies are my favorite. I love them too much. Applejack is over here, but she's not standing there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is getting yummy. She's not yummy yet. Oh my god. Hole? Another hole. Who's this? What is it? Oh yeah, I got it out. And now I got this. Something to tell them. We're here. My hair's hard. How am I going to free your hair? Let's free your hair, tail. Let's do a rainbow view. How do your legs? The 2 legs are stuck. Now you're stuck forever? Ah, I cannot get out! You would love to get out. I got her out. Look at her. It's cute. She's beautiful. See her cutie mark? Now let's try all of them. He's gonna. That's cute. She's gonna look like that. It's gonna be like that. Paws up. Ah, it's looking like a sock. It's gonna show. I'm scared about Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash, we're gonna free you out. Put these My Little Ponies different way. I'll make their tails beautiful. Rainbow Dash, you wanna meet Pinkie? Pinkie Pie? You mean about Pinkie Pie or Pinkie-licious? She's a once. Hello? Hello? Who's in here? Hello? We got it, almost got it. Hey, Rainbow Dash. Are you getting out? If you don't want, then I will not feel out. But if you want, then I'll feel out. Oh yeah, now we got you out, little girl. Girl, now you're free. Ah! That's funny. Oh my god, these ponies are getting on. Delicious. What? Ah! That's stackable. That's stackable. They're both falling. Let me get this. And now it's time to remove you, girl. And feel your tail. Now your beautiful hair. Let's get you out, little one. But then how's your fair hair not getting out? Hair, you want to get out? How's the hair not getting out and the tail's only getting out? Ah! I got out. Yeah. I need a cute hairstyle. A cute hairstyle is good. You would love that. And now she's ready. With her own awesome fans. Look at them. Look at her. She's cute. Her paw looks like a scanner. Look at her wings. Now she landed. They're so cute. Look at them. They're cute. Hi. That's wonderful. Awesome. So beautiful. Nice. Let's see how they light up. Yours now. Wow. It's amazing. Is it cute? They're both lighting. Yay, we're both lighting. It was amazing. Now time to high five. High five you. That's so cool. High five. Yay. Now time for you, Rainbow Dash. High five. Awesome. Oh God. Beautiful. Our dad is last. Oh yeah, let's do this party. She's not gonna party up, you know. What is going on? What happened? Hey! Nothing. Let's try one of them. Trying this yummy one. I want that. I want to try it. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. That's it, guys. I hope you like my video. I love it. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to like and share my videos, guys. Bye. Bye-bye. Delicious.